In the cookies and chat session, what we did is we brought in a speaker to talk to the students about their career and also about Lamar.
My name is Brenda Williams, and I'm a program manager at Cisco Foods.
Everybody, this is Julie Ferguson. Julie is a Lamar graduate. She graduated in December with a degree in MIS, Management Information Systems. This is Linda Cutter. Linda is a graduate of Lamar University from our Computer Science Department.
1985.
1985. And she's currently Director of Data Services with Lamar University.
And the speakers that talked about their career were in computer-related fields, and it gave the students an idea on what they could do with a degree in computer science and what to look forward to.
So, in my very last year of school, I took one class called Introduction to Computers, and of course I fell in love, and that's what I really wanted to do when I grew up. When I first started my career, I was at Deluxe Check Printers, and you probably don't know them as much as people would have known Deluxe back then, because you don't write as many checks today because you have more credit cards now. But Deluxe does all kinds of paper forms, paper checks, and different types of things for the banks. I worked there for about 5 years, and I decided I really wanted to get into programming. So what I did was I went to the University of Minnesota at night, and I took programming classes. And I transferred from Deluxe Check Printers. I went to St. Paul Companies because they had an entry-level programmer training class. And it was a 12-week class that taught you how to be a programmer. And all I could think about was programming.
And my department is responsible for the housing. It's the facility and the housing of all of the large major equipment for administrative computing purposes. And we do have departmental type of servers that are on the academic side as well. So we're just kind of a blend. But we're there just right across the way. If anybody would like to come and visit, just come to the window. There's a service window, and just say, "Hi, I'm here. I want to see Linda," and I'll bring you through.
It was cool. The girl from the hospital, she came and she told us about all the new technology and how it can help them out.
The girl, what was her name? From yesterday, from the hospital, some of the stuff she talked about was kind of neat.
The lady from the hospital that showed us all of the technology. I mean, I'm thinking about the medical field and
currently I work in our project management office, and what we do in this office is any new projects that go through any of our facilities, anytime, let's say, we want to implement a new software for, let's say, for the ER, any kind of admitting software, anytime we acquire a new hospital, any kind of project that will require IT, whether it be telecommunications, networking, the hardware, software components, any of it, we manage that, and we make sure the right resources are on the right projects, and that project gets completed in the allotted time frame. So it's really neat because you get to see all of the new technologies that come through healthcare, and just all these great inventions that someone's came up with in order to make healthcare a more thriving business. So what I'm here today to show you is just a few of the technologies that we have in some of our facilities. Like I said, we have 60 facilities, so these are spread out. They're not only in St. Elizabeth. Some of them are at St. Elizabeth, some are at St. Mary's, some are in, we have a facility in Utah, and just different facilities. So,
and I was just surprised at all the different tech stuff that they have over there. I didn't know hospitals were that high tech.
And the one for Lamar talked about, how to apply to Lamar, how to prepare to take the right tests and everything like that, and scores and things like that for going into a university.
For those of you who want to come to the university, you can actually start coming basically after you take your SATs for the most part. You can take some summer classes in your junior year, especially between your junior and summer year.